Jesus decluttered the 10 Commandments. I'm going to say something today that when you first hear it, you may even think it's sacrilegious. I challenge that you probably never heard it before. But one day as I was in my quiet time reading the scripture and reading some stories about people, the things they do and the things that happen in the world, it occurred to me that Jesus decluttered the 10 Commandments. We've all read the 10 Commandments. We've seen them. We've heard the arguments over what they mean and whether they should be on courthouse lawns. But Jesus came along and he said, I give you 2 commandments. Thou shalt love the Lord thy God with all thy heart and with all thy soul and with all thy mind. This is the first and greatest commandment. And the second is like unto it. Thou shalt love thy neighbor as thyself. When you think about it, if you do those 2 things, if you love God with all your heart, soul, and mind, and you love your neighbor more than you love yourself, then you couldn't possibly commit any of the sins listed in the 10 Commandments. Isn't it interesting how complicated we make things? That life is complex and we interpret things in so many different ways. But one of the ways that we can make sure we're interpreting it correctly is if what we're doing is honoring the commandments that Jesus gave us. It's food for thought.